Today, I'm going to show you how to change the font size of text on your Samsung S10. Whether your text is too small to read or too big for your screen, this simple guide will help you customize it just the way you want. First, open your Settings app. Next, scroll down and tap Display. Tap on Font Size and Style. Here, you'll see a slider under Font Size. Move the slider left to make the text smaller or right to make it larger. You can see a live preview above to check how it looks. Next. If you need even larger fonts, move back. Scroll down. Tap on Accessibility. Tap on Visibility Enhancements. Font size. There, you'll get extra size options for better readability. That's it. Your Samsung S10's font size is now set to your liking. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more Samsung tips like this.